Culture say the nyamisro obuo fere ani die ene be ye adwuma ne enso ye de asom ye man Ghana em no mienu dia eye maye ese maye nyina anpa be share bibia obi aso agebre na wo hwe Badwam on Adom TV Asem Yi Di Ka ena asomidin de akwasi ensia so ho ye de bosumi no ewu a ne sene ne August bosumi wo 2023 mu papa mo ye hie biem adepa bi chi o chena 1 September Asem Yi Di Ka eni enra ye nyina anim sam ye tinie asi ewo Gabon se wo mampani asojafo etulisi dom amenam no ekasei etuno afri akonya kese so awreho asefem ni kwa se ke banesa se ebibimaya jetum se kabima min kabi eye adwuma dia asojafo nhyeda ni chefa mu sante set timre bia betretwam ekono but yes you quickly share Al Jazeera abenchira dia o matchro reason pantia we ni na akoba ne sa eku in Gabon who what and why abusia baako edio man so baburu finhia adwenum 50 years ni papa wuye eno no beto aso for about 53 to 56 years abusia baako ene dio man so edania nipa de ohu ba furu nipa but utie concerns nankasa mu pa. It is not just because abusia baako ene dio musuo. It is not solely because of enuntio. Ye die kan kompontu abraboma wa haya amanfo no ehwehwe no eno na eba wo mo. Quickly man for 2020. Assembly Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams edi tuja abra no de paladomotre etwe kobo on Good Evening Ghana on Metro TV so asimo kan fa ku ye be hyase wo abibrem anam every 2021 eko share some video is here
as a spiritual man and as a watchman upon the walls of this country. There is a wind coming.
Wow.
And it's not 2019. It will begin after 2020 going.
After 2020, there's a wind coming.
There's a wind coming. The Arab uprising is coming.
Here.
It's coming. It's coming.
By the youth.
It's coming not just to Ghana, West Africa, all over, if we don't do something. Because you see, look at a lot of these youths. They've graduated from school. They are home, no job. Some of them, you go to these car washing places, you see 10 young men who have graduated from university washing one car. And then they have to wait for some hours before another car comes. Some of them live in these kiosks. You know, we have kiosk estates these days.
Yeah.
Opposite the wealthy areas.
Yeah.
And they know the people who live in the community. They went to school, some of their kids. Some of them know the families. They have nothing. Suddenly they go into politics and they have everything. And they drive the best, they fly the best. Their children go to school abroad and everything. And they're sitting down there looking at all of this and saying, hey, wow, this thing is interesting. After a while, if we don't give them hope, that's why I'm going back to the schools.
Speak to them.
And I'm engaging the youth again. Because if we don't give them hope and a sense of direction, the most dangerous thing in life is to fight somebody who has nothing to lose. They don't have wives, they don't have children, they don't have cars, they don't have lands, they have no hope, nothing to live for, they don't mind dying.
So our politics is treading on dangerous grounds.
It is. Africa. Because I see it everywhere. And it's very scary and very worrying. That
will the wind start from Ghana?
I don't know, but it's coming to West Africa.
After 2020?
Yeah, after 2020 going, 2021, 2022, 3, 4 going, if something don't change to give the youth hope, I'm telling you, and I'm speaking.
You think this 25-year plan will work?
It will work if only our leaders, especially former presidents and the leaders of today, will come together and say, hey, let's take hold of our country. Let's do something, because this party politics, as much as it's democracy and it works, we have to do it.
Eti unim, me focus so much war the prophecy no eso. What say? E mabunu na wo ebibrem ha no. Wa carry wa hu say woni dachi e wo bra na wo bo no wakase wo mamu. And I say me no wakapen. And then say what kind of future? Any of the echa yema ye ne o say. I want to my Archbishop Ekai. Was it some Bruna any hope no? One politicians nema. And another me catch now. Yet to a mania, the only viable business. Yeah, come out within 1-2 years. We a millionaire and your politics. Oh, yeah, ma'am. And your MPP and this wow. Both parties na. Your parents said the only viable business. Yeah, Ghana ni udu uko uremwa. Ma ho ayi ne so afisham yesa. Otutu akwan ya millionaire tam. Tiada meka kire se obia na brebi atwamwo. Na onti mpokra ntisika hindan. And then the party bar power. What of your cantonment? Within 4 years, what of your East Legon? And you think some Mabruni Enche? What can some more Enche? And the Archbishop is saying, no, besides one Archbishop cano, medical work and what's that. Emma Bruni shada any dache papebia. Because they say, Odia gra obedi yewu. E so no kwabe odia e no nyina beko. This is what see politicians no mo trust na mo dwen. This is the time to think. Think and stop being greedy. Think. Greediness no does do. But some of you too much. Are they? I said, Munkwana Mudia ye. Munkwana Sabi a journey so come moi, and ye. Me Nanamas so cool so. Says the Minamas so Amamu can't so. Amamua and from Puntum Remabunu, Amamu from Punto, and Rema for me now so. Why? And no be free opposition, ever power, 3 years or a second time. Empty for Kabanyanisa. Go first for Kabanyanisa. Adan Yamusa. It's so sad. It's so sad. And you so cool, so cool, so. Your greediness. Open so I can watch him. Na mo mani wia no mo hia ma no maka tom sem mo papa nkwasi abra no mo boye nti na nsim ye na mo nsam so wa kromfo e na mo de ye krono ne wudi ya mo bo man no e na mo office mo de ye e ti mabru de bufu be ba mo so e time e na na da meka wasem se e bedu bebi no ECOWAS kasa obi antie ECOWAS ekasa obi afi omo because the ekosuo ebibre atoye memu no it is not as if say ECOWAS in penifoni mo they know they are aware but because say one of their own they yen can accept na ma so se mukoni jamonko monko ebufu samuko so ebibre Toya Mantabua, you need to talk about it. Emma Bruno Nidache. Emma Bruno, woman Nidache. It will be a mere politics. Or be a mere politics. I said what you did. Shadi Omadi Ghana. Pray for me to end my tenure in office peacefully. The battle is indeed the Lord's. It's so sad. Mr. President, I pray. Se Ghana could be NC. Yes. Empire born. I pray. Se Ghana could be NC. Ebema wahua. So be free akunya kesi so. Wabra enye ku. Ene do free akunya so. I pray so. I sincerely pray so. Sometimes I wish our president would one day decide to meet the youth, to listen to them. Mr. President, one day, take time. And now me tell us now me raho. Now I see you gume. Now ma boto. The way a man penny kasano, e chire e kubua abeshi a man penny mu. The best Ghana soldier for. The best. Yes, and you may be a toto ye and to ye. The best remo. Ufem free. Na minim send ye akosomre te waka krabi mo. At least in penfo sua bibi. At least I want to believe. So much me say no meeting na me ra ho. E jamayem chihie. Because your man penny who say afede I didn't I can't on fin. I can't hear my krabi na one fin. Eti yam chihie ni na no. I can't hear my krabi and a shem fin. Says why kura no wogina die. Because soldier for na ebo man pen for be hu ban no. Wo mo na eli ni sa ku ye o. Says when a president Kufuor kura ejina di. And the personal bodyguards no do wura and ban ni mo ban ho ban no. And a soldier for na ebo no ho ban no. Why no wo kwagina die. But it's so sad. It's so sad, President Kufuor. Da bia me ka say eni me bi wo no mu a eni kwase si wo na Kufuor da ban mu eni me bi wo a eni kwase si wo mampani aban mu se mampani enya challenge foforo bi dia e different. But if you have repetition of idea ye campaign some years back na repeating one who di my I make sure so no hu mebo no ma Ghana nye ye emfa no tu papa emfa emfra but once again best soldier for ye wo Ghana if not for anything at all at least Ghana for you will be kakra ye the born by cool dear ye hold one me did ya kwese nsia Asem Yi Di Ka